Hello viewers, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to learn about tie and dye, and the method is folding method. As you can see, this is a nylon thread that we're going to use plus a palm leaf, which has always been used by these traditional dancers, in most cases in Central, the Baganda people. As you look at the video, we are folding it. You can fold in any shape you want. Please look and follow the step. It's very simple. You can try at your own during your free time. After folding it, you're going to tie. As you can see, it's already been folded. You can tie according to the design you want. This time we are using this kind of design. Is almost like a zigzag. It's not circle. Please make sure you tie it firmly, that it will not disturb you. As you can see, we are almost done. We are tying the last one there. Tie it firmly enough that the dye cannot penetrate where you are tying. And also, these palm leaves will help us tie it more firmly, and for it the dye does not penetrate via it very fast. Make sure you tie it firmly enough for the best results. As you can see, we are done, ready for dipping in the dye. So you can see we are going to dip it. Please make sure that you give it 5, 10 to 15 minutes before removing it. Then after drying, make sure you put in cold water to remove the excess dye before you remove the design. Yeah, of course, this is already dry. We have rinsed with cold water. After it dries again, then we are removing the palm leaves and the nylon thread. Please be very careful if you are removing it, because you may end up cutting your piece. As you can see, we are doing it. We are almost through. We are cutting the last one. We are going to see how the design will come out. We are done. Let's see how. Wow. Yeah, that's how it has come out. Please, you can try one at your free time. Thank you for watching my channel. You can share this video to your friends, your relatives, anywhere. Please subscribe. Have a blessed day. Thank you. Let's meet again next week for another video. God bless you. Bye bye.